Thanks for checking out this week's Thai Kitchen, the series from my Thai cookbook. This week I'm going to make a beautiful stir-fried beef with oyster sauce and fragrant basil. And the ingredients for that great zesty spicy stir-fry dish are as follows. Beef tenderloin, garlic, Thai chili, habanero chili, brown sugar, hot basil, water, oyster sauce, soya sauce and oil. Right, oil. Get your wok nice and hot. I'm using two types of chilies because I want mine extra spicy. I've got my Thai chilies and my habanero chilies. I like my dish with a bit of whack, and as you can see I've got all the seeds in there as well, so just how I like that. So you want to roast off the chilies and the garlic. As you notice, lashings and lashings of garlic. Don't be shy with the garlic, folks. Don't be shy with the garlic. And if you're not sleeping alone tonight, make sure your partner has plenty of garlic too, or you'll be sleeping in the doghouse. How wonderful. Whee! I love that smell. I love roasted garlic chilies. Gets right up your nostrils. So if you've got a cold, great for the sinuses. Look at that. Just want to get a bit of color, bring out the aroma. Let's leave that for a couple of minutes just to infuse. Beef. That caught nicely on all sides. Wow. Whew. Those aromas are really starting to kick in now. Gonna add my sugar, let that caramelize a little bit. The reason I put sugar in a lot of the Thai cooking is because the sugar reacts with the salt, and the salt in this case is the soya sauce and the oyster sauce. If you don't do that, it tends to get a little bit salty. Look at the colour on that, wonderful. Now I don't want my beef to be well done, so I'm going to finish off the dish now. A little bit of oyster sauce, a little bit of soya sauce, just like that. Lashings and lashings of basil. My basil has been getting a bit bruised. Don't throw it away, folks. Never throw away your bruised basil. You can always make it water, pesto or basil dressing, or just mix it up with oil or put it in your stir fries. Don't let it go to waste. There you go, folks. There you go. That is it, my friends. Wow, what a stonker of a dish. That is ready. Ready to rock and roll. Are you ready to rock and roll? Sorry, a bit mad this morning. There we go now, folks. There we go. Fresh basil. This, folks, is going to blow my knockers off. I know it. I can smell it. Devilishly spicy, that one. Devilishly spicy. Woo! Making me sweat. What a stonker of a dish. I love this. The stir-fried beef with oyster sauce and chili and fragrant basil. One of my favorite of all-time Thai dishes. Absolutely adore it. This dish comes from my Thai cookbook called The Thai Cookbook, Wicked Wild Thailand. And there's over 100 recipes in this book. with over 45 videos to go along with it. And most of these recipes I learnt on the road on my 60-70 motorbike trips that I did in every corner of Thailand over a 6-year period. Met some incredible folk out there who were kind enough to open their houses, open their homes, open their hearts and share their dishes with me. And I'm so happy that a few years later I'm able to recreate all these wonderful dishes and compile them into a book and on video format for you to follow as well. There are stories in there about my trips that I did in those days, because I wrote diaries at the time, thank goodness, because otherwise I wouldn't remember. And there are also stories of my life out there as a chef. Not all hunky-dory, you know, having to deal with disgruntled suppliers. You know, putting people out of business sometimes is just part of business, unfortunately. And, you know, death threats, snakes in the office, bike gangs, it's all in there, folks. Check it out. You can get that by clicking on the chef shop icon at the end of the video. Also my chef merchandise you can pick out on the chef shop icon too. It's all there. Don't forget to check out my social media, Facebook, Twitter and Instagram. Okay folks, yes, Madhouse Sherlock signing out. Plenty of videos every week, so come back and check. Click on the subscribe button, then you'll know when they're coming out. Thanks for watching folks, and bon appetit!